How to upgrade Hogwarts Legacy PS4 to PS5. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to upgrade Hogwarts Legacy from PS4 to the PS5 version, whether you have the digital or disc version of the game. Let's get started. Part 1. Digital version users. If you bought the digital version of Hogwarts Legacy on PS4, 1. Make sure you logged in into your PlayStation 5 with the same account that owns the game. 2. Go to PlayStation Store. 3. Search for Hogwarts Legacy. Then, on the game page, you will see an option that says Free PS5 Upgrade or Upgrade to PS5 version. 5. Click that and start the download. That's it. No extra cost. Part 2. Physical disc version users. If you own the PS4 disc version, 1. Insert the Hogwarts Legacy PS4 disc into your PS5. On the home screen or your gaming library, find the Hogwarts Legacy. You'll see the option to upgrade to the PS5 version. Select it and begin to download. Once installed, make sure to always insert the PS4 disc to play the upgraded PS5 version. Important, this won't work if you have the digital edition PS5, since it doesn't support discs. Bonus tip, transferring save data. To carry your save data from PS4 to PS5, open Hogwarts Legacy on PS4 and upload your save from the main menu. Then, on your PS5 version, download the save from the same menu. This keeps your progress exactly where you left off. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to upgrade Hogwarts Legacy from PS4 to PS5, both digital and physical versions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.